Students, good morning. Today again I am before you with a new topic, that is triangle. So our question is, in the given figure find the value of x and y. So see the question. Figure. Figure is this: ABC is a triangle and this ACD is the exterior angle, which is 130 degree, and this angle ACB y degree, this is we have to find, an angle BAC is x degree. The angle which we read, that should be in between the two alphabets. So let us solve it. See this, for this angle we will see it is a half, that is semicircle. So when it forms a semicircle, the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Look, angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree, because for this we give region linear pair. A linear pair, this is linear pair. So we know the value of angle ACD. ACB plus ACD, we put the value of ACD here, that is 130 degree equal to 180 degree. Now ACB, I will keep ACB here because we have to find the value of ACB. So 180 degree, and I will send this 130 here, it is plus, here it will become minus 130 degree. So it is 50, it become 50 degree. I will subtract, then get 50 degree. Angle ACB is 50 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. Here two ways we can find the value of x. One is sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By this way we can find the value of x, and other is that an exterior angle is always equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. An exterior angle, so I will find by the exterior angle. I will write here, in triangle ABC, angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. Region, an exterior angle is an exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. For angles I will write in short form angle and then S, angles. So we have to find the value, that is given. ACD, value of ACD is given. ACD, that is 130 degree. I will keep here ABC. This B is given 68 degree, plus BAC. We don't know the value of BAC, that is x. So 130, and I will send this 68 to this side. 68, it become minus 68. Now I will subtract this 68 from 130. So from 10 it is 2, and this is 12, 6, and 62 degree. Value of x is 62 degree. So the value of, so x equal to 62 degree and y equal to 50 degree. Here I find the y. So these are our answers. Thank you students. Thank you.